Action!
I am Constantine Daduho Jr., married with two sons. I've been working at a law office as encoder since August 2009, more or less 15 years. Being an encoder at said office, I have the aptitude to do my creative job here, and I have gained experience in dealing with difficult clients. Personally, I recommend this job to other persons with disability, especially to those only victims, because it's just their lower extremity, but it is not a hindrance to success.
Sa Tagalog, magtrabaho,
Magtrabaho para mabuhay ang pamilya.
may walang suporta sa gobyerno,
Walang suporta sa gobyerno.
walang purpose,
Walang kurte.
walang tripis,
No more 1, 2, 3.
walang sap.
Walang gap.
Pero may mama.